there is a number 8A5146B. 8A5146B. This number is divisible by 88. 88, it is a composite number. It can be written as a product of coprimes 8 into 11. That means these numbers should be divisible by 8, and these numbers should also be divisible by 11. 8A5146B. This number is given. So there are two numerical values which are missing. Right? We have to find out the two numerical values, and the answer should be divisible by 8 and 11. What is the divisibility rule of 8? Last three digits should be divisible by 8. 46B should be divisible by 8. 46B should be divisible by 8. For this number to be divisible by 8, first it should be divisible by 4. 4, what are the cases? Last two digits should be divisible. 460, 464, 468. 8 5s are 40, 68. It is not divisible by 8. 8 5s are 40. It is not divisible. So, answer we got B value as 4. Answer we got B value as 4. So, this is 4. This is 4. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 5, 13. 13 plus 8, 21. 13 plus 8, 21. I am using the divisibility rule of 11. What is the divisibility rule of 11? Sum of odd places minus sum of even places. What are sum of odd places? 8 plus 4, 12. 12 plus 5, 17. 8 plus 4, sorry, B is 4. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 5, 13. 13 plus 8, 21. Minus of sum of even places. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus A. It should be divisible by 4. It should be divisible by, 11. It should be divisible by 11. That means A value, it is 3. Why it is 3? 21 minus 7. 14 minus A. It should be divisible by 11. That means A value 3. A value 3, B value 4. So answer for this question is 3 4s are 12. Answer for this question is 3 4s are 12. The number is divisible by 88. If it is divisible by 88, that means it should be divisible by 8 and 11. Yes or no? This should be divisible by 8 and 11. 8 means last three digits should be divisible by 8. 4 6B, it should be divisible by 8. For it to be divisible by 8, last two digits should be divisible by 4. So 60, 64, 68. But this is not divisible by 8. This is not divisible by 8. So answer is 464. B value, it is 4. Once B value, it is 4. Substitute it. What is the divisibility rule of 11? Sum of odd places minus sum of even places should be divisible. Sum of odd places. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 5, 13. 13 plus 8, 21. Minus of 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus A. 21 minus of 7 plus A. It should be divisible by 11. 21 minus 7, 14. 14 minus A, divisible by 11. A value should be 3. A is 3, B is 4. 3 4s are 12.